You need the official WhatsApp to log in. Many WhatsApp users are encountering this problem. Today, we are going to fix it step by step. If you have any other issues, please leave a comment. I'm here to help you out. Don't miss out. Be part of this family so you won't miss my tips and tricks. Let's get started. Click on those three dots in the top right corner. Tap on help. Right here, choose the country associated with your WhatsApp number, then enter it. Once we're done with that, click next, then click right here to choose the screenshot of the problem we encountered from our phone's gallery. Right here, click on describe your problem and paste this message exactly as you see it displayed on the screen. And after that, tap on next. Now tap on send email to WhatsApp support to send the message to the WhatsApp support team. WhatsApp support team will review the request and respond to you as soon as possible. Now, let's configure the GB WhatsApp. To download it, click the link in the video description. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on this option. Now take a photo of this QR code. After taking the photo, go to Play Store and install the official WhatsApp. Configure it with your phone number and then open it. Now click on the three dots at the top right corner. Click on linked devices. Click right here. Now scan the QR code you've captured earlier. As you can see, GB WhatsApp has been successfully configured. If you need assistance, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to assist you. That's it for today's video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to help grow this amazing community together. See you in the next video.